Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to use multiple themes for your pages in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to give different sections of your site a unique look or experiment with various designs, this guide will walk you through everything step by step, from logging in to activating and managing themes efficiently. Let's begin. Open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, move your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the login option. Click on it to start the sign-in process. To make logging in quicker and more secure, select Continue with Google. This method allows you to use your existing Google credentials, saving you from entering a username or password manually. After clicking this option, a window will appear showing your available Google accounts. Choose the account linked to your WordPress site, and you'll be redirected straight into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your theme settings. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, locate the Appearance tab and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Themes. This will take you to the main themes page where you can view all available designs currently installed or ready to activate on your website. Take a moment to browse through the available themes. Each theme offers a unique style, layout, and set of customization options, so it's worth exploring to see which one best fits the page or section you're working on. Once you find a theme that catches your eye, click on it to open its preview. This will give you a quick look at how your website might appear with that theme applied. If you're satisfied with your selection, click the Activate button. This action immediately applies the chosen theme to your site, updating its look and layout in real time. After activation, it's a good idea to return to the theme's overview page. Doing so helps you keep track of all your installed themes and ensures your site's organization remains clear. Within this overview, look for the option labeled My Themes. Clicking this will show you a complete list of all the themes that have been added or used on your site. This section also allows you to switch between different themes whenever you'd like. Simply click on another theme from the list, review its details, and if you're ready, press Activate once more to apply it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to log into WordPress, access the appearance settings, browse available themes, and activate different ones for your site's pages. By following these steps, you now have full flexibility to experiment with multiple themes, giving each page or section of your website a unique personality and style. It's an excellent way to refresh your site's look, test different layouts, and create a visually dynamic experience for your visitors. Enjoy exploring all the design possibilities WordPress has to offer, and have fun customizing your site to truly make it your own.